Okay, so in this lesson, we're going to talk about the different types of trading and the different types of traders. And let's not forget investing as well, because I'm actually all three. I'm an investor, I'm a swing trader, and I'm a day trader. Now, what do those three things mean? An investor is someone that buys stocks and shares in a company like Apple, and actually own shares in the company. I might buy 1,000 shares of Apple, and I'm looking for long-term growth over months, maybe even years. I know a lot of people that bought Apple many years ago and now doing very, very well, but that's a long-term view. And I buy stocks and shares in my ISA, my pension, my shared-in account, and there's loads of brokers in the UK or all over the world that will allow you to buy stocks and shares in a company, and now you're a shareholder within that company, and that's great. You know, that's a long-term view. Now, there's another way to actually buy stocks and shares and trade in the medium term, and also trade currencies and commodities and bonds, which I don't particularly trade bonds, which is interest rates. But I like to swing trade the markets as well. And swing trading is I'm buying today and I'm holding a position maybe for 2 weeks. You know, it could be a little bit longer, it could be a little bit shorter, but I'm holding those positions overnight. A lot of people that swing trade the markets have full-time jobs, or they just don't want to sit at their screens like this in the morning time. They want to go off and do other things, and maybe they got other commitments, and that might be you. And they're swing traders. I'm a swing trader as well, because I sit here and I see so many opportunities where I can take advantage of trades that are going to last for several weeks. So I'm looking at the euro dollar here, which is a currency, the euro versus the US dollar. And it's trading at 109.00. Well, if I buy it now, I'm hoping that's going to go up to 111 in a few weeks' time, by a few weeks' time, and then I can sell that position for a profit. So that's a swing trader. You've got a medium-term outlook on your position, and it's not as intense as day trading. So as a day trader, I'm here in the morning times in London time, and I'm looking to buy and sell using my trade strategies any of the markets that are coming up on my scanner that give me the opportunity to want to buy and sell very, very quickly indeed. Now, how quick is very quickly? Well, you know, it could be within seconds, in minutes, or even in a couple of hours. And what I'm looking for as a day trader is I'm looking to earn my day's money. And what that means is, let's say your day's money, the number that you need to pack up your job is your day's money. And your day's money replaces your salary. And as a day trader, that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to make money in the morning time. So number one, I don't have to work for anybody else. Number two, I don't have to commute to work. Number three, I don't need a boss. And so as a day trader, that's where I'm going in, doing my job, basically. It's not a job, but I'm going in doing my work here to earn my day's money. And I use software on charts to allow me to get in and out and give me the signals for my trade strategy. A trade strategy comes from the charts, okay? I'm not somebody who looks at fundamentals of a currency or a commodity. I'm a technical analyst. And as a technical analyst, I look at charts, and that's what we do. I look at charts from a swing trading point of view and a day trading point of view as a technical analyst, as a chartist. So all my decisions are made off of the charts, all right? So, you know, if you're someone that's struggling for time, you could trade from 7 a.m. in the morning to 8:30 or 8 o'clock in the morning. And if you're starting a day's work at 9 a.m., 9:30, you've still got an opportunity to day trade in the morning time up till work. But if you're commuting to work, then you're not going to be able to do that. If you're a swing trader, you can do it in the evening time if you want to. You can open your charts and your strategies, and you can look for strategies that are setting up, and you can place orders with your broker. Don't worry, we're going to walk through placing orders with your broker throughout the lessons, guys. You've got practical videos and showing you actually how to place an order and get into a trade actually live for you. All right, so if you're somebody that's struggling for time, swing trading is very good, and it's something that works for a lot of people. Day trading, if you've got time, do it. You can day trade in the evening time as well, but I like the mornings. I'm a morning type of guy. I'm a morning trader, and I get in and day trade those early morning moves so I can go and get some money. And then I can go and do other things. I can mentor students, I can go play golf, I can go out on my bike, I could do things with my family, all right? So, and the good thing about being a trader is as well, you know, if you've got children and a family, you can pick them up from school, you can take them to school, and, you know, you're not having to commute to work, and that's what day trading gives me. I can make some money in the morning time, especially when the summer comes, you're up early, you're looking for those early morning moves, I call them, and go and earn a day's money. So we spoke about different types of trading and different types of traders. Have a think about what may be right for you, and what's right now might not be necessarily right for you in 3 months' time, okay? But have a think about it, give it a go, and let's dive into the next lesson.